In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Muslim Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss Samnet assignment. So in today's video, we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. Okay. So guided project 1 to 3. In this project, you create a workbook and copy a sheet into it from wherever accessories workbook. You enter product codes by creating series, copy an existing formula, use some function and format the data. After adjusting print option, you define a print area for specific products. So all these SLOs will be covered in today's project. Student learning outcome SLOs that we cover in today's project are 1.1 to 1.8. File download, file needed. This one that we have already opened, and also this one supporting file, or we call resource file. It is also available in our download folder. After completing our project, our file name must be this one. Then we have to submit that one. Skill skills covered in this project. What skill we will cover in today's project? Create and save a new workbook, change zoom size and unfreeze pane, copy sheet from one workbook to another one, rename and color sheet tab, format labels and values, use fill handle to copy formula and fill series, change alignment and font size, merge cell, adjust width and row height, set indents and apply borders, use page layout view to insert footer, set print area. So all these skill will be covered in today project. Now we are moving toward our instruction sheet. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. So in today assignment we have 12, 13, 14. We have 14 questions in graded part and 15, 16 and 17 are non-graded one. So 14 questions we have in graded part. Let me start today assignment step by step. Remember that we are solving SAMNet assignment Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3 project. So now we are moving toward instruction file. Complete step to complete this project, mark steps as check when you complete them. Okay, so in first part we have to open workbook, this one that is already open in my case. Okay, we have already opened that one, this one. Okay, then in next part we have to, if file open in protected view, then we have to click enable editing. So we have to click the enable editing. Then the file will rename automatically to include your name. Yes, it include our name automatically. So first part is done. In first part we have to open the file that we call solution file that we have downloaded from start file, and then we just click on enable editing. Then the file will rename automatically. So question number 1 is done. After solving question 1, now we are moving toward question number 2. So open the workbook wherever 01 XLS download from resource link. Okay, we have to open this supporting file. Then If workbook open in protected view, click enable editing. Yes, that is open in protected view. We have to click on enable editing. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to open wherever 01 XLS downloaded from resource files. We have to open that file. Then after opening, then that is in protected form. So we have to click enable editing in security bar. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3, what we have to do? Zoom out, unfreeze pane. Okay. So in first part, we have to click zoom out button in status bar 5 times to return to 100 zoom size. Okay. So you may see our zoom size is 150. Now we have to press this minus sign or zoom out sign 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Then in next part, we have to click freeze pane button, that is in view tab window group, and choose unfreeze pane. You may see first three rows are freezed, so we have to unfreeze them. This line shows that are freeze. So how can we unfreeze them? Simply click on view, then in window group there is freeze pane. Open this one and click on unfreeze. So this line will be removed. Now you may see those lines are movable. Okay. So question number 3 part 2 is done. Now we are moving toward third part or part C. Click switch window button, view tab window group. Okay, we have to click on switch window button. So that is there, switch button. Then in switch button, what we have to do? Confirm at this one and this one are both open. Yes, you may first confirm from here. Yes, both are open. Then in next part we have to display this one. Okay, we have to display this one. Then in question number 3 is done. In question number 3 there are 5 parts and we have done each and every part. After reading instruction we get idea that we have to zoom out and unfreeze the pane. So in first part we have to click zoom out button in status bar 5 times to return 100 zoom size, that we done. Then in part B we have to click freeze pane button, that is in view tab window group, and choose unfreeze pane. Then in part C we have to click switch window button, view tab window group. Then in part D we have to confirm that this one and this one are both open. Yes, both are open, we have confirmed them. Then in part D we have to display wherever 01 workbook, and we have display that. So question number 3 is done. After solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Now I'm just moving my window back to original place. Okay, so after solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. In question number 4, what we have to do? We have to copy worksheet to another workbook. We have to copy a worksheet to another workbook. So right click to sheet 1 tab in where 0 and choose move or copy. There, right click on there, then move or copy. Then in next one we have to click the to book drop down, and there we have to select this one. Okay, from here you have to select this one, then select create copy box, click OK. Done. So part C, D, E. Now we are moving toward part E. In part E, what we have to do? We have to click switch window button and choose rear 01. Again we have to select switch this one and select 01. Then close workbook without saving. Now we have to close the supporting file without saving. Then in part F, close workbook without saving. Yes, we have done. Then in part G, verify that you are working in this one. Yes, we are working on this workbook. Okay. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, there are 7 parts, and we have solved each and every part step by step. So in question number 4, we have to right click the sheet 1 tab in this supporting file. Then we just choose move or copy, and from to book we have to select this main file where we have to copy that one, and we follow all these instructions and we solve question number 4. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 5. So rename and delete sheet. Now we have to rename and delete sheet. In question number 5 we will rename and delete the sheet. Okay, so double click the sheet 1 into 2. Okay, so we just there double click there. Then in part B we have to type inventory and press enter. Okay, we have to give that this name to that sheet, copy this name from there or and paste there. Okay, part B is done. In part C, we have to right click the sheet 1 tab and choose delete. Okay, now this is the sheet 1, right click there and simply click delete. So that will be deleted permanently. So question number 5, part A, B and C is done. In question number 5, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to rename and delete the sheet. So in first part, we double click on the sheet 1 into 2 tab, then type inventory and press enter as the name of new sheet 1. Then right click the sheet 1 tab and choose delete. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. Fill a label series and delete a column. We have to fill the label series and delete a column. So click cell A4, then type this one and press enter. There we have to type this one, then press enter. Then select A4 and double click and fill the handle there, then double click there, so that will be automatically filled. Yes. So right click column J in part question number 6 part D, right click column J heading and choose delete. We have to select column J, right click there and delete that one. Okay, sorry, we have to delete head column heading, this one, right click there and delete that one. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6 there are 4 parts and we have done each and every part step by step. In first part we have to click cell E4 and there type this one and press enter. Then in part C we have to select cell E4, double click it and fill handle, then right click and the column J heading and choose delete. So question number 6 is done. After solving question number 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. Remember that we are solving Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3 project. So we solved question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and now we are moving toward question number 7. Use fill handle to copy formula. Click cell H4. We have to select H4. Then formula multiply this one, so we have to double click the fill pointer H4, then fill the formula. Okay, so we just double click on there, that will automatically fill the formula. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7 there are two parts, and we have done both part. In first part we have to select cell H4, then we have to verify that there is formula that multiplies quantity by cost to calculate the value of current stock. Then in part B we have to double click the fill pointer for cell H4. The formula is copied down the column. Press enter to complete function. If didn't double click, but that is automatically filled, you may see a result. So question number 7 is done. Same way we will solve question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. There are 14 questions in graded part. So out of 14, we have done first 7 questions. Mean 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results. That's my guarantee that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% results. That's my guarantee. That's my promise because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So my result will be 100% every time when I will solve your assignment. So in today's video we discuss SAMNet Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. In start we discuss guided project 1 to 3 and we read SLOs that we cover in today's project. Then we just move towards skills covered in this project and we discuss all the skills that we have that we have covered in today's project. After that then we move to our instruction file, and in an instruction file there are 14 questions that are graded one. So out of 14 questions we solve question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First 7 questions have been done from my side in today's video. Mean 50 to 55% assignment is done from my side in today's video. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Again listen to me carefully that we have done almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results. Okay, that's my guarantee. Now we are just leaving on here and meet soon with our next assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.